friends, Kanchan again. Thank you all for your lovely response to my previous video. Today again I welcome you all on the behalf of gurukpo.com. In our last video we discussed about parts of speech. So today also I have a very basic topic, that is sentence. So first of all, whenever we ask someone what is a sentence, they say a sentence is a group of words. They do not say it completely. Okay, when we take this sentence, Sandy is friend my best. This is a group of words. But does that convey a complete meaning? Does that make a sense? No. When we take this sentence like Sandy is my best friend, so that conveys a complete meaning, right? A sentence is a group of words that will tell you the whole, that will give you a sense, right? So Sandy is my best friend. This is the correct sentence. Okay, sentences in English have mainly two parts, subject and predicate. Okay, so whenever we take any sentence, there are two parts. So we will take this sentence, Sandy is my best friend. So Sandy is subject and the rest is predicate. Okay, predicate. Now what is a subject? A subject in a sentence is about what we are talking. Okay, subject is about, like, Sandy is my best friend, so we are talking about Sandy, right? About what we are talking about subject. And what is a predicate? The predicate states the action done by the subject, right? It states the action done by the subject, or whether what is the stage in which the subject is, or what is the what is happening to the subject, right? All these are stated by the subject. Now we will take another examples, like Amrit resigned his job. So here Amrit is subject. Okay, in this sentence we are talking about Amrit, right? So he is the subject here, and rest, what he did, he resigned his job. Okay, so he is doing an action, right? So that is the predicate. Similarly, the boy was encouraged by his friend. Okay, here the boy is subject. What happened to him? He was encouraged by his friend, right? So that is being done to the subject. This is subject again, and this is similarly predicate. Okay, a subject usually comes in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, subject usually comes in the first of the sentence. Okay, now we will take the types of sentence. There are four types of sentences. They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Okay, what is an assertive sentence? An assertive sentence simply makes a statement. Okay, it tells about the simple facts which are being done. Okay, they can be assertive or they can be negative, right? For example, the sun rises in the east. Okay, this is a universal fact, and this just asserts a sentence. Okay, so this is an assertive sentence. Or we will take some another example, like the sun does not the sun does not rises in the east. Okay, if we take that sentence, that is negative, right? Then next is interrogative. What are interrogative sentences? An interrogative sentence it always asks a question, right? For example, what? Whenever a sentence starts with what, that is an interrogative sentence. Like, what are you doing? What is your name? Okay, or where do you live? All these questions are interrogative questions. And a thing to keep in mind is interrogative questions always end with a question mark. Okay, always put a question mark after writing an interrogative sentence. Okay, next is Imperative sentence. What are imperative sentences? Imperative sentences always express like your commands, your request, prayers, suggestions, etc. Okay, advices and all. So those are imperative sentences. For example, we take the sentence attack the enemy. So what I'm doing, I'm commanding, I am telling my troop to attack the enemy. Okay, so that is command, right? Now next, please help me. Whenever I am requesting someone to help me, so that is a imperative sentence, right? Whenever you request someone, then next is we say, oh Lord, please spare her life. What are we doing? We are praying for someone. Okay, so prayers are also imperative sentences, and also suggestions and advices. The last is exclamatory sentences. What are exclamatory sentences? Exclamatory sentences are those that express our strong feelings. Like in my our previous video, we discussed about imperatives. Okay, imperatives were those that show our strong feelings. So exclamatory are similar. Exclamatory sentences are those that show our strong feelings. Exclamatory sentences usually begin with what or how. Okay, or sometimes they can also be of a single word. For example, we will take some sentences. How brave the girl is. Okay, so this is an exclamatory sentence. It tells us how the brave the girl is. Okay, she is a brave girl. So we are saying it, that we are telling that she is a very brave girl, but we tell it in an exclamation. Okay, exclamatory sentences always end with an exclamation mark, right? Or we will say, what a pleasant surprise. Okay, I said they always usually begin with how or what. What a pleasant surprise. So this tells our happiness. Okay, so that is exclamatory. So I told that it can also be a single word, like awesome or splendid, right? So these were the sentence and its types. Okay, I hope it helped you in some way. Thank you all for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much.